Alright, today we are going to make some veggie ramen. And one of the main reasons is because I am sick. Just like you saw in the Hawaii videos. Yep, my voice isn't completely back yet, and I've got some other symptoms going on. So I kind of just feel like some hot soup. And then I was like, oh man, ramen would taste so good. So I'm gonna make a really simple, easy veggie ramen. And this time I will remember to put the recipe in the description or in below the video. So, first things first, I went to the Ocean Mart, which is an Asian market, and got these noodles. They are Chuka Soba Noodles, kind of like the ones that we had on Thanksgiving. And this was, I think they're 90 cents there as well, and it only has, let's see, the wheat, the salt, it's right here on the front. The wheat, the salt, the water, and then it has turmeric. Anyway, we have some green onions, yellow onion, mushrooms, carrot, garlic. I also have some red miso. It will focus. Come on, there you go. Red miso. I have some gochujang. Oh, there we go. It's just a spicy hot pepper paste because I kind of want to get like everything cleared out. We do have some veggie bouillon and some crushed red pepper flakes and some ginger. So the first thing we're gonna do is pour 4 cups of water into the pot. And you know what? I think we're alright. And then we can start adding our veggies. So we'll do the green onions first. I have my garbage bowl here, just like I have before, to put leftovers in. And I'm gonna make this soup really oniony and really garlicky because I think it'll help with everything. So you'll have to excuse my coughing. And Archer singing Jingle Bells in the background. All right. So that's just 1 bunch of green onion. See? Just gonna put it in the pot. And as I cook, I'm just gonna add everything to the pot. All right, next I will peel the carrots. Who doesn't love a good bowl of ramen, right? And I'm just gonna do thin slices on this because carrot can take a little bit of time to cook and we don't want it to take too much time. All right, next we have some baby Bella mushrooms. And I'm also just gonna do some thin slices of these. Might even go smaller than that. So I just cut that mushroom into quarter size. And I'm doing these decently thin. And we'll just do maybe 4 of these. I really want the onion and garlic to be the center focal point in this ramen. To clear some of that out, like I said. It actually, while we were in Hawaii, it wasn't that bad being sick because it really was just my voice in Hawaii that was going. But I didn't have any of the other symptoms, and so it wasn't that bad. It just, the only thing that was awful about it is that I couldn't talk very well with the people I was with, and they had suggested doing karaoke one of the nights, but I couldn't enjoy that, and they didn't end up doing it. But I love to sing, and so you don't realize how much you love singing and everything until you can't do it. Alright, that's it for the mushrooms. Now I'm going to cut up the regular onion. Alright, so this is just a yellow onion. Hawaii was good though. Skylar and I got, I think, about 2 hours of sleep. Not last night, but the night before. And so last night, getting sleep was extremely important. And we both got, I want to say, at least 7 to 8 hours. So the jet lag hasn't been too bad today. I wonder if Skylar's had that jet lag. I feel like maybe he has a little bit. But I haven't noticed bad jet lag. I might end up adding more water to the pot just because there is quite a bit of stuff in there. And we want to make sure that we have plenty of water for the noodles. I also like my noodles a little al dente. So, whew, these onions, they're making me cry. All right. Next, I'm going to add the garlic, and this is just pre-minced garlic. And I'm gonna add a very generous amount of garlic. I'll show ya. Probably even a little bit more. Alright, the next thing I'm going to add is the miso. What, Archer? Yeah, I'll help you in just a second, okay? I just have this little scoop. Makes it easy. I'm just gonna do 2 teaspoons of miso. And then 1 teaspoon of the gochujang.
I want some down.
And then a small teaspoon, a small little bit of That's garlic, honey. You can't eat garlic straight.
I got some garlic.
You want to say hi to everybody?
Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi. Look, who's that? Archer. Say hi. I'll get you some stuff in a minute, okay? In just a minute, okay? Just a small little bit on the edge of the spoon. Oh, and I almost forgot. I think I'm also gonna add some liquid aminos. I would say about 2 tablespoons. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. And half of a teaspoon of ginger. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of red pepper flakes. All right, I think that about does it. A little bit on you. It's okay. It's just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. In just a second. Okay, so I have another 2 cups of water here, so that would make the total cups of water 6. No. All right, I'm just waiting for that soup to finish boiling, and then I can add the noodles. It's gonna be so good, and I'm really hoping that the focus on onions and garlic will seriously clear whatever this is, because I'm over it. I miss singing. I miss talking normal, but I really miss being able to sing to the radio, etc. I love singing. Anyway, yeah, nothing like 2-year-olds interrupting cooking, right? I mean, if you have a 2-year-old, you know what I'm talking about. And I don't know, curiosity, right? He has a lot of curiosity, and that's good. I don't want to hamper that. Is that the right word, hamper? I don't want to hinder. I don't want to hinder. Hamper, what the hell? Oh, I don't know what that means. Anyway, so yeah, we're just waiting for that to get boiling, and we'll finish up. I was going to say I also took a shot of apple cider vinegar, and I also I'm going to do that tonight too, to see if it will help. And I actually bought some biotin dissolving tablets to help with hair growth and with nail growth and skin. Mainly I'm doing that for hair growth because I want to grow out my pixie cut to about shoulder length. I kind of want some long hair for certain weddings that might be in the future, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's see how that soup's doing. Yeah, it's still waiting to see if it will boil, so getting there. Arch, what are you doing? Are you watching Daily Bumps? Yeah. It's boiling. Yay, we can have the noodles. This is gonna be so good. Let me know what you like to do for all natural remedies, because I am willing to listen to anything that might help as far as all natural goes. So yeah, let me know. I'm gonna add a handful of spinach just to add some extra green to this soup, because I think it's a great idea. And obviously we all know that spinach wilts very fast. And it seems like you put nothing in there. I just realized we got this ladle in Hawaii and I get to use it. It's so exciting and it's beautiful. All right, Archer, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna taste the ramen. We'll see how it is. And I'm gonna try to taste it with these awesome chopsticks. See if I can get some on here without totally messing it up.
Take a bite to yours.
Yeah.
Take a bite to yours.
It's a little bit spicy.
Okay.
Do you want to try carrot?
Yeah.
Okay. Archer's gonna try carrot. What do you think? Does it taste good? Yeah. Is it good ramen? All right. Looks like I gotta get to eating this. Oh, it's gonna feel so great on my throat. All right. That's it. That's all. That's all there is. So I will definitely be doing the recipe in below the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially hit that thumbs up if you like videos like this. Archer, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Go like this. Look at the camera.
Bye.
Right here, yeah, okay. Blow on it, it's hot.
Okay.
All right, just in case you're wondering, the little red flakes on top weren't red pepper flakes. It was actually Ishimi Taragashi. I'm probably butchering that, but that's what it says on the label right here. I got this at the Asian market as well, so it has lasted a very, very long time, but it is pretty spicy. So there's your warning. How is it?
Amazing.
Yeah, worth sharing.
Of course. I think
Is that your second serving?
it is.
Boom.
I'm not gonna lie. I left you some though.
That's good.
I'm not sick, so. But yeah, it's really good.
Very good. On a scale from 1 to 10, how good?
Well, what's a 10?
Oh, we're not asking this question. I don't know what a 10 is. As far as soups go.
Well, you know that I'm not a major soup guy, so. I don't know why we're even filming. I don't know the answer to this.
I'm hoping for an 8.
It's an 8.
Oh, very good.